Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to convert any YouTube video into text step by step. Let's get started. First, open YouTube and pick the video you want to convert into text. Once the video is open, look below it and tap on the share button. From the menu that appears, tap on Copy Link. Now the video link is saved to your clipboard. Next, open a new tab in your browser and search for Transcript Video to Text. You'll see a list of websites that provide this service. For this tutorial, let's use the TikTok website. Click on it to open. Once you're on the website, paste the YouTube link you copied earlier into the input box. After that, tap on the button that says Get Video Transcript. The site will take a little time to process your video depending on its length. When the process is complete, you'll see the full transcript displayed in English right on your screen. From here, you can review it, but if you want to save it, just tap on the download button. It will save the transcript as a text file directly to your computer. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials.